Working Like a Scientist by Victoria Kosara. Table of Contents. Asking questions, observing, measuring, experimenting, making models, recording information, communicating information, glossary and index. Asking questions. Are you curious about the world around you? Do you ask questions that begin with words like how and why? If you do, then you are beginning to work like a scientist. Scientists ask lots of questions about the natural world. What questions do you have when you look at the photos on this page? Observing. Sometimes you can answer questions just by observing. That means looking at something closely and carefully. Scientists observe to find answers too. Look closely at this pond. What kinds of plants grow here? What are some animals that live here? What else do you think you might observe if you visited the pond? Measuring. One way to learn more about something you observe is to measure it. You can tell whether water is warm or cool by feeling it. What tool could you use to measure the exact temperature? This scientist is studying black bears. He is using a scale to measure how much the bear cub weighs. What do you think the scientist will learn if he weighs the cub again in a few weeks? Experimenting. When you have a question about something, think about what the answer could be. Then you can experiment to test whether your idea is right or wrong. Even if it is wrong, you will still learn something important. These scientists are experimenting. They want to find out whether a kind of plant food makes these plants grow bigger. Some of the plants got the food and some did not. What do you think the scientist with the ruler is doing? Making models. A model is a simple copy of something that helps people understand the thing better. These scientists are studying a model fish to learn more about why fish are such good swimmers. People drive heavy cars and trucks across bridges. A bridge has to support a lot of weight. How can the boy test his model bridge? How can he find out how much weight it will hold? Recording information. You can write down or draw pictures of what you observe and measure. That is an important part of working like a scientist. Scientists record information on paper or on computers. This scientist is measuring a frog. Then she will write down the measurement. Look back at page 9. Which scientist is recording information? What is she using? Here's the scientist recording information using a computer. Scientists study the information they record. Then they draw conclusions about what it all means. Communicating information. Scientists share what they learn with other scientists and with people like you. Why do you think it is important to communicate information and ideas? You can share what you find out about the natural world too. You can draw a picture, make a chart, or tell someone what you have learned. When you do, you will be working like a scientist. And here are some important words in our glossary that were in this nonfiction text. Communicate. Share information and ideas by telling or showing. Conclusion. An idea or answer reached by careful thinking about all the facts. Experiment. Test an idea by trying it out in a careful way. Measure. Find out the size, amount, or degree of something. Model. A simple copy of something that is like the thing in some important ways. People can understand the thing better by studying the model. Observing. Looking closely and carefully. Record. To put information down in writing by drawing pictures. And another